I'm Grapes Bacara and I want to become a real estate broker. Panibagong video na naman ito sa aking channel. I know nasubaybayan nyo from my previous videos about my pageant career, my student life as a computer engineer, my free diving, my vlogs. I tend to break out my consistency in creating videos. But this one, I wanted to finally commit and I want you to join me. I wanted to share my personal experience as a new pathway opens up sa aking buhay. Mag-aaral ulit ako ng Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management as a second course. Welcome to my galaxy. Today, I'm going to share how I enrolled online as a Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management in the Philippines. So first, nag-research ako ng school through Google and Facebook. Before researching schools, my criteria for choosing a school is first, online classes, own my time. Right now, I have a lot of things in line that I plan for, and this is a transition period in my life. I felt like I'm having a quarter life crisis. That's why pina-abrupt lang na nag-enroll sa Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management. Second is affordability or value for money. So yung expenses ko ngayon, I just got out from a job. Medyo gipit tayo ngayon, kaya value for money. And the second is the quality. So, hindi ko finurse yung quality kasi kahit ano naman quality ng ano yun, depende pa rin sa'yo kung paano mo i-handle. I found a Facebook page asking people where they are currently studying Bachelor of Science in Real Estate Management. So this one was posted a year ago, September 4, 2021. And the first, out of 147 votes, 52% came from Lyceum of Alabang, 19% from System Plus College Foundation, and 8% from AMA Online Education. Yung na-research ko lang dito is 3. So, my top 3 choices are Lyceum of Alabang, Philippine Christian University at AMA Online Education. Itong Philippine Christian University naman, ito ay nirefer sa akin ng friend ko na nag-aral din ng real estate management. So, let's go on. Ang ginawa ko, yung tatlong school na to ay aking in-applyan. Dito sa Lyceum of Alabang, nandito sa Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila. It's a non-profit organization committed to serving and developing knowledge of science and technology in the Philippines. So, nag-offer sila sa akin. So, how I contact Lyceum of Alabang was through their Facebook page. So, kinilik ko lang yung menu. So, what is the Flexi program? Ano pala yun? So, ang Flexi program is a unique program na nag-credit sila ng mga previous classes mo from your previous course. After graduation, they earn the degree and eligible ka na mag-take ng board exam. Kahit konti lang yung time na parang hindi na siya same sa first course mo. Kasi bagay talaga yung Flexi program para sa mga second courser na kagaya ko. So, ano yung mga admission requirements? So, nandun na din yon. So, yan yung mga admission requirements. Tapos, how to enroll. You may send here your email address. Nung sinend ko na yung aking email address, nag-reply ulit yung admission sa akin na they're still open daw for program. If you're not available for the Zoom, you may call. Mayroon pa yung mga numbers tsaka GCash. Meron siyang initial evaluation that fees 500 pesos. At first, ay akala ko baka scam or something kasi ba't magbabayad or something. Pero, chinek ko naman yung email address. It's legit from their page. And tumawag ako sa kanilang number. Nakipag-usap ako dyan. Tapos, sila na sigurong bahala. Pwede kung gusto nyo mga questions, i-chat nyo na lang din sila at bibigyan kayo nila ng initial reports. Next is the Philippine Christian College Manila. So, ito, in-refer ako ng aking kaibigan at tumawag ako sa kanila At nag-apply din ako online. Kaso hindi ako nag-apply doon sa pina-apply ng kaibigan ko kasi medyo pricey para sa akin at that. Parang nagle-level-level lang ako ng kung saan ba ako. Dun sa affordability ako na medyo nahirapan talaga doon. Next one, pag-send ko ng application, na-receive and waiting to be processed lang. Until ngayon, processing pa rin siya. Right now is we are on September 29 as per recording in this. So this one, the AMA University Online Education, dito ako parang nainganyo. Kasi online lang lahat pati graduation. So nag-apply ako sa website nila, nag-login at hinintay ko yung nag-send ako ng picture ng copy ng TOR ko, kung ano yung mga requirements. Parang nag-enroll ka talaga sa school, pero online lang. It's really, efficient. Ito yung parang hinahanap ko na website. Around 25,000 lang ata yung per sem nila dito. Tapos, ito yung nangyari. Hindi ako nakuha. So, among all 3 schools, I got accepted in Lyceum of Alabang. PCU is still waiting for admission, so hindi pa sila nag-reply. And EOD or EOD from AMA has been disapproved. Kasi parang mali ata yung na-click ko na transfer or something dun sa AM. Kasi transfer yung na-click ko, hindi ko na siya ma-change. Dapat pala, hindi ko din alam kung ano pala yung dapat ko. So, yun, na-disapprove. So, okay lang kasi na-approve naman ako sa Lyceum of Alabang. So, meet Academio. Congratulations! You can proceed to enroll. Yay! Congratulations sa akin. The program is provided by Academio in partnership with Lyceum of Alabang. So right now, I'm under Academio. Na-meet ko na din yung mga teachers ko. Yung nangyari lang is, Yung nangyari lang is after I got in, nag-send na sila sa akin ng aking mga payment terms. So, yung payment terms is around 45 to 50,000 per sem. 12,000 ata yung enrollment this time. Ewan ko lang sa inyo. And then, parang monthly na siya na 8,000. So, malaki siya. Pero nung first inquiry ko din sa isang sa PCU, that was around 17,000 per month for a year. Parang nahirapan din ako doon. So, dito na ako sa 45,000 per sem, 8,000 per month, and 1 year and 5 months, and graduation din sa Manila. And, start of class, nag-meeting lang kami through email, payment terms, online din. Kung may questions ka, you can call them. They bombarded their emails with me with numbers, so I can call the administrations and the registrar. Then, nung na-receive nila, hours lang, yung payment ko is sinundan na nila ako ng class schedule. So, nakapasok na ako sa kanilang class schedule is go through Zoom at saka Google Classroom. At nakita ko na din yung first class nila, which was recorded last September 19. And ngayon is September 28 na. So, na-late na ako. And ngayon, bala kong i-record kung ano yung mga natutunan ko para i-share ko lang at pagkatuwaan, ma-share ko din sa inyo. So, kayo, ito ang aking personal experience sa pag-enroll online. First time ko mag-enroll online kasi graduate na tayo. Noong 2017, hindi tayo naabutan ng mga online chuchu. So, ngayon, I am excited kasi mamayang 5:30 is first time ko ma-meet ang yung live class. To be honest, wala ako masyadong experience sa real estate. But gusto ko siya. And hopefully, mag-real estate management din kayo at samahan niyo ako sa aking adventure. And plano ko for this channel, I'm going to share what I've learned. Hopefully, I can share something for you, what I've learned, and my scores, my study, my exams and stuff. Yung mga key takeaways ko or mga natutunan ko lang. And hopefully, I can practice and research more. So, I, I guess ito lang for this. This is the whole enrollment process. So most of the process that I have was just email. It was only done for 3 days. Max, email lang ni email, phone call, and then the decision making. At the same time, nung sumali ako sa first class namin, I was really satisfied naman. Let's hope, I don't know in the future, I don't have any expectations. Ang expectation ko lang is matutunan tsaka pumasa. I really have that fear of passing. No, fear of failure, I guess. But no, no failure is fatal naman from Winston Churchill ba yun? Okay. So, that's it for today. And good luck sa akin. Good luck. Good luck sa atin. Bye!